Heidi ho there, friends and neighbors. Bobby here this evening. Hey folks, tonight I'm going to show you how to make butter. Homemade butter, that is. And I'm also going to show you how to get a good workout while doing it. So stay tuned. Okay friends, this is the equipment that you're going to need to do this job. You're going to need a couple clean pint-sized mason jars. You're going to need some salt. You're going to need a teaspoon measuring utensil. And you're going to need some heavy whipping cream, okay? That's what you're going to need to do this with. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and open this up, okay? And pop out the little seal there. And we're going to open up these jars right quick. And then, hold on, let me shake this up just a little bit before I get started. Let's make sure it's just kind of shaking up a little bit. And this is a pint of heavy whipping cream that you can get at your local grocery store. And we're going to pour about half of it in here and half of it in the other one, okay? Now you can do this all in you can do it in a quart jar, but the reason we're doing this is because we're going to get a workout, okay? We're going to have fun making butter and burning some calories all at the same time. Let's see if I got them equal. Let me get down here and eyeball it. Okay, it looks like I got a little bit more in that one. It's not really gonna matter, but I'm such a perfectionist, I gotta make sure everything's perfect. All right, now, friends, we want our butter to be salted, okay? Now, if you want unsalted butter, like if you wanna make you some and then freeze it and have it for cooking, because there are some recipes that call for unsalted butter. Let's see here, I might have a little too much in here. I'm trying to get I'm going to put usually per pint of this stuff, I'll use a teaspoon. So I'm going to go about a half a teaspoon in that one. And then we're going to do about a half a teaspoon in this one. I couldn't find my half a teaspoon measuring utensil. Get a few more grains in there. Maybe not quite that many. All right, that's good right there. That's about a half teaspoon in each one, okay? That's all you got to do. And we're going to go ahead and put the lids on and seal these things up, and then we'll show you what we do after that. Put them on nice and tight, okay? Because we're going to be shaking this stuff. We're going to shake this until we separate the butter from the buttermilk, okay? So let's get started. All right, guys, now for the fun part, for the workout part. It's time to start shaking, so let's get busy. This could take a while, so stay tuned. Okay guys, we're going to move on over to the workout room, and we're going to turn this into a vigorous workout. I'm going to get my son involved too, Thunder Nate. Let's get going. Ah! You can feel it, dude! You can feel it! Are you getting a good workout, Nathaniel? Huh? Okay, folks, I hope you enjoyed our little comical workout routine there that we done on the making of the butter. Now I'm going to explain to you a little bit better what this looks like. As you can see, you have a liquid in there now, and that stuff in the middle there is butter, okay? And all that liquid is buttermilk. And we're going to pour some of that off of there right quick. And I'm actually going to save it. I'm going to freeze it because there are some recipes that call for buttermilk. I don't particularly care to drink buttermilk, but we are going to pour off some of this into another container here that we will put in the freezer, okay? Just pour off as much of it as we can right there. We don't have to get every bit of it. As you can see, we have butter inside there, okay? Hang on just a minute. Let me pour off the other one. Now I want to tell you something. You know, we kind of made tried to make fun of this here, you know, with the workout and everything. But seriously, to make this right here, you're looking. Actually, this needs to be shaken up just a little bit more. Let me shake this a little bit more, so if I can get it. Let's pause the video for a minute. Okay, like I was saying before, guys. Actually, we probably shook this vigorously, probably about 10 minutes. You know, the working out thing that we done, that actually was not. We done that just for fun, just to make this video kind of comical. But typically, probably within about 10 minutes or so, you'll have this stuff separated. Okay, so we got buttermilk and we have butter. So now we're going to take this container here. This one here actually done a little bit better. I don't know why, but there's our butter right there. Okay, that looks really nice. So I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to rinse this a little bit. I'm going to use the jar here. I'm just going to pour a little bit of water over that. Rinse this out right quick. I'm just going to rinse our glob of butter there a little bit with the just some water, and then I'm going to actually just go ahead and hold this over the sink and try to hold my butter there and just pour that off. I'm just rinsing some of that buttermilk off of there. As you notice, we got a nice little thing of butter there. Okay, salted butter. And actually, I'm going to go ahead and pour it into my container here. I got this little plastic Tupperware container right here. And I'm going to go ahead and just take my hand and pull it right on off of there. There's a little bit of buttermilk still left, but there we go. And now we're going to do the same thing with the other one. Okay, this one right over here. I'm going to go ahead and put it into the container. You see there's still a little bit more buttermilk left in that one. So let me pour this off again. Hold my butter. Pour off that little dab. I'm just going to rinse it here in the sink with the water here. A little bit of water over there just to go ahead and rinse off any excess right there. And then guys, look here, we're going to pour it in here as well. Hang on, try not to get the buttermilk. But there you go, guys, you have some butter here, okay? And right now, this is great for like if you're getting ready to have a party or something, people coming over. There's nothing like having fresh butter and it's already soft and everything, just ready to spread on some, maybe some Italian bread if you're having people over for spaghetti or something. And it's pretty cool. It'd be like a talking point. You say, hey, I got homemade butter here, guys. And it's really good for that. And it's really good for cooking. And if you want to, I mean, when you put it in the refrigerator, regular butter, if it don't have any preservatives or anything like that in it, may not last as long, and it does get hard. A lot of the stuff that you buy in the grocery store, they add things to it to make it more spreadable, okay? If you put this in the refrigerator, it's gonna get hard, okay? It's not gonna be easy to spread on things, but right now, as you can see, it's real soft. I mean, that'd be perfect for like, if people were coming over right now, we're getting ready to have a spaghetti dinner or something, we had some Italian bread, spread this stuff on there, it won't be nothing better than that. Guys, I hope you enjoyed our little video today, and I want to thank my son Nathaniel for participating in the video. Did you have fun?
Oh yeah.
It was awesome having a workout with some pint jars making butter.
Yes.
Yes, that was awesome. All right, guys, thanks again for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Take care.